Okay, so it's an ash body with a weird pickguard that I honestly didn't remember buying. Standard Telecaster bridge, Telecaster pickup. Oddly enough, I forgot to brought out the control cavity, so yeah. Anywho, the neck is Cocobolo, hasn't been worked on for a while because I'm still, dealing with my stupid hand, and I don't trust myself doing the final cut on the fret slots, or even installing them until my right hand is correct. You can also see just down here a little bit, that is a screw up on my part, and I need to figure out something to put there. So that'd be neat. Neck still needs to be carved. It needs to get to its final thickness up here. It's going to be vintage tuners. I have them. They fit. And the bigger question... Oh, and these are Canary inlay dots. And a couple of them are mildly recessed, and it's aggravating that that's one of them, because otherwise I wouldn't care. And that's because when I use the chisel to take the top of them off, some of them split. Anywho, any thoughts on what this thing should be? I'm only comfy doing dye, and this time of year I'm only comfy doing true oil in the house. So leaning towards blue, I think, partially sanded off, and probably a black edge just to cover everything I can, and probably the back will be black too, just same reason. Yeah, that's all.